This is an opportunity for us to step back from the world, step back from all of our duties and responsibilities, and spend some time with ourselves. Time to learn, a time to appreciate, time to recognize things which we need to gradually reduce and abandon in our lives, the things that we need to nurture, developing many different kinds of life skills in an environment designed to allow us to give our full attention to this work. We can learn about the human mind by reading and listening and watching and consuming information in various ways, but that's a superficial and unreliable way of learning about the mind. Best way to learn about the mind is to give it some work to do and see what happens. And putting the mind, encouraging the mind, inclining the mind towards a meditation object, and then meeting all the challenges of sustaining attention on that object with such a simple, straightforward effort. We illuminate the mind. We see all the resistances and the obstructions. And it's sobering indeed to see how out of control the mind is generally. But it's also encouraging to see that the mind responds to attention and care and effort. So the first day or so of retreat is one in which we're adapting to unusual environment. Many of you have come on a long journey, undoubtedly physically tired to some degree. Maybe before you came, a lot of things to deal with, rush, hurry. So it takes some time to settle down. So be patient. Be patient with your mind. Just remind yourself that this practice works. It doesn't work according to a schedule or a calendar, but there are causal processes, universal, timeless causal processes that condition the mind, the health, the clarity, the peace, the wisdom of the mind. And that we're fortunate enough to have come into contact with the Lord Buddha's teachings, which provide the map that we need, the path, the conditions. It's up to us to make best use of our time, apply ourselves. So the mind wanders away, and we recognize and firmly but kindly return to the work. There's nothing else to do, there's nothing more to do. And developing this clear, bright contentment with the work in hand. Just a simple function of breathing in, breathing out, being awake and alive, present to that simple process. And that's how you learn to be awake and alive and present to your life. The breath is your life. The more you can be present to your breath, the more you can be present to your life, the more you can learn from your breath, the more you're learning about life.